Welcome in to a brand new woolly review. Whoa! And today we are doing Batik by Stylecraft. As you can see, it is a DK. Now this is in the shade Cherry, which is quite fitting, really. 80% premium acrylic, 20% wool, approximately 138 meters, 151 yards. 50-gram ball. So let's give this a go. Now this is one of the items in the latest Woolly Wednesday giveaway. So if you want to give it a go yourself, you need to sign up quickly. Quick! So the cheapest place I found this was £1.80 on knitting wool sales. That'll be linked down below. And I have to say, this is really nice and soft. It's a lot softer than I expected, and I'm looking forward to using it. So I'm going to do a small swatch. And this comes in 18 different shades, so there's a fair amount to choose from, with the white running through. If you like that kind of thing, it kind of reminds me, when it's in the blue, it reminds me of washed denim. Why does denim have to be blue, Lisa? It doesn't. I'm just saying. I can tell there is wool in this, but not in the scratchy sense. I'm okay with wool personally, but I would say, even if you're a little bit wary when it comes to wool, don't. Leave the natural stuff alone and take the plastic. So I'm only going to do a half swatch for this because this is in the Woolly Wednesday giveaway. I don't want to use up too much for the person who's going to win. So now I'll do a half double row, half double crochet, of course. Oh no, that was a full. See, I'm not even doing what me gob tells me to. Half double, Lisa, half double. There you go. And we had our first split, but it was very quickly amended. I've got a feeling with this, you'd be able to practically sit there and watch TV while you're crocheting. There really doesn't seem to be any, oh, I better watch exactly what I'm doing because I don't want it to split. I don't want it to fray. Like, there's no problem. And it feels rather nice in the hand, like I said. Very nice, very nice. Now this is my first time using Batik or Batik. There we go. One, oops, that was my fault. 1, 2, now we'll do a row of, it feels so light and airy. A row of doubles to finish off our half swatch. Again, only doing half because even though it's going back on the skein, I don't want to ruin it for the winner, whoever that may be. Another good place to have a look at different yarns would be Lovecrafts. I do have an affiliate link with Lovecrafts, that's down below underneath all the stars. There will be 2 lines of stars. They're under the second row of stars. You'll find my affiliate links to Lion Brand, Annie's, Mary Maxim, Lovecrafts, and I have one for Amazon too. Okay, so this has got a really, really nice drape on it, really nice. It's very, very light and very, very soft. I'm not talking cloud soft, like candy floss soft. No, it is soft. It's definitely a wearable one, definitely. Okay, let's see how the frogging goes. So nice and slow. We're good. And speedy, speedy. We're good. Ooh. And slow down again. Brilliant. Yes, there is kinkage. There is. No getting away from that. So back on the skein, so the winner doesn't complain too much. I haven't taken anything off, honest. Just wrapping it back up. Wrap it up. I'll take it. Wrap it up. There we go. It's nice and dressed again. So you can sit over there with the hanky markers for a while. Let's have a debate on the ladybirds, shall we? Would I turn it down? Heck no. Would I be really disgruntled and just be, oh, I have to get it because you've got nothing else? No, definitely not. See, I'm racing through these. Is it in my top 5? Well, yes. Is it in my top 3? And I'm quite happy if they've got that in the store, but not my other 2. Yes. I am going for a full, look at the rarity on that. 5 ladybirds out of 5 for the batik. For £1.80, I think that is really, really good value. With the yardage on it, that's pretty good for 50 gram. It feels lovely and soft. It's got really nice, aesthetically wise, I know we don't do aesthetics over here, not really, but aesthetically wise, it's very, very pleasing to have this kind of washed out look, especially when you're doing really, really simple stitches. It can make your work look very texturized. So I would say great value for money, very, very soft. I would definitely have this as my number 1. This is absolutely brilliant. Love it. Okay, have I said it enough? Yeah. The hook I used today, this one was custom made by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs. She is also linked down below, and she will bring your custom creation into fruition for a really, really good price. I hope you guys get to have a go at this one, especially with the 5. It's rare. And maybe you can give it a thumbs up down below and maybe think of subscribing. That red button, turn it grey. And I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.